how to add a comparison table on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a comparison table on Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com and then you need to go to this website by the name of Elfsight. And here you can go on the widgets. And from the widgets, what you need to do is you can click on comparison, or you can go on price, because if we won't find comparison, we can just go with pricing table right here and then create widget for free. So here we can select the widget that we find most suitable. We can go with this, add to website for free. So it's going to save our widget, so it might take some time right here. So we need to sign in. Let me just sign in and I'll get back to you. So here you go, guys. I've just signed in. And this is what we want. We can click on publish without wasting much time. And we can select the free one right here. And here you go. So we have the code right here. Copy and paste this code into desired place of your website, HTML editor, website template, theme, etc. Perfect. We can just copy this code and we can put it right here. You need a place for that. Add element, embed. It had embed right here. Embed code, embed HTML, embed HTML, and here we're going to write the code. There you go. Update, and voila, we're done with it. So we have embedded this code, and once when we save and click preview, we can see it, and we can see it from right here as well. Here you go. It was as easy as it is. Here you go. We can just resize it later on and format it, but this is the main way to do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.